gentlemen, just a quick video today for the Rust Industrial automatic setup. So what we have here is the setup. It's all powered by one solar panel over to a small battery. Up here we have the conveyors, 3 furnaces, got an input box and an output box. So we walk over here, place some ore in this box like you've just been farming. It'll automatically switch on. And there you go, you can see it's all coming out. Now, let's pretend it's all finished smelting. Just take it out of the furnaces as well. So there we go. Once it's finished smelting, it'll finish sending it over to the output box. And then it will shut off. Now, as soon as you put a little bit more ore back in, the whole system restarts again. And right now it's using 13 out of the 15 of the small battery, which isn't too bad. And then we'll take everything out. And you can see it's using 4 out of the 15. Plenty of extra power. Alright, so what you'll need for this is 1 small battery, 1 splitter, 1 solar panel, 1 memory cell, 2 industrial conveyors, 2 boxes of any size, large or small, doesn't matter, 3 electric furnaces, 5 storage adapters, and of course the electrical and the pipe tools. Alright, let's start up by putting the furnaces down. And place your boxes down. Output, the input. Now whack the storage adapters on there. Boom, 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 and lucky last. Put the conveyors down. And the splitter. The memory cell down, and place your battery down, and then over to your solar panel. Now obviously this is just for demonstration, but this would normally be on your roof or in your compound. Wire that up. Going from the battery, you take it straight to the first industrial conveyor, then use the pass-through down to the next one, and the pass-through of that into the memory cell. From the top of the output of the memory cell over to the splitter, from the bottom of the splitter to each of the power inputs on the electrical furnaces. Now what you want to do is pick one of the conveyors to be the in and one to be the out. Go into it and set the parameters. So this one I'm setting the ore. And then from the bottom of this industrial conveyor you want to take the filter pass and place it into the set of the memory cell. And then from the other conveyor, from the filter fail, this is how it turns off, into the reset of the memory cell. And then go into this one and set it for the smelted items, frags, sulfur, and high quality metal. And once that's done, you'll want to start the piping. Piping is pretty easy. Take it from the out of your input box into the input, and then daisy chain it from the output to the electric furnaces, daisy chain on the furnaces together, and then from the last furnace you want to place it into the top industrial conveyor, which will convey it all to the output box. And from that one all the way to the input of your output box. And switch them on. Now test it all out. Chuck some more in there and Bob's your uncle. That was just a quick video, guys, on my Rust automatic furnace setup. Cheers.